Mr. Bauer, what can I do for you?
Hey, Chris. Is Walt home by any chance?
Yes, please come in. Walter, Mr. Bauer is here for you. He'll be right out.
Doc.
Hi, Walt.
Hey, Doc. Hey, you hungry? You hungry? You thirsty or something? Or
That's all right, Walt. Just need to talk to you for a minute here.
what's up?
Just have a seat for me, Walt.
Yeah, let's take this chair.
Walt, we got the results back from the test the other day. But not good.
So what does that mean?
Well, your cancer has spread erratically.
What are you telling me?
You have 2 weeks at best. I'm sorry, Walt.
2 weeks? 2 weeks. I mean, you said that there was improvement with the treatment, and you said to take the medication. You said that if I kept taking the medicine that I was doing better, and I did exactly what you said to do, and so I kept taking the medicine, and I did exactly as you told me to, and so now I got 2 weeks. I have 2 weeks. I'm gonna die in 2 weeks.
I know, Walt. I'm sorry. Walt, if there's anything I can do for you during this time, you give me a call. I'm sorry, Walt. Walt, you need to spend this time with your family.
2 weeks.
Walt, are you all right? Walter, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't need your help.